What if the most powerful handheld gaming device ever made is already being built, but Valve simply refuses to show it to you yet? That's exactly where we are right now. Valve just broke their usual silence and gave us the clearest picture we've had in years about the Steam Deck 2, and honestly, it's a mix of exciting and frustrating at the same time. In this video, we're breaking down what Valve actually said, why the timeline is longer than most people expected, what's quietly shaping the design of this thing right now, and what you should realistically expect. Stick around, because the part about why the chip situation is holding everything back is genuinely wild. So here's what changed. Valve, through interviews with their own engineers, including Pierre-Loup Graffet, has essentially confirmed that the Steam Deck 2 is in active development, but is nowhere close to hitting shelves. Now, before you get disappointed, understand why that actually matters. Valve is not a company that rushes hardware out the door just to chase quarterly numbers. They've made it clear, internally and externally, that the Steam Deck 2 only ships when it delivers a performance leap that actually justifies calling it a sequel. Not a spec bump, not a minor refresh, a genuine generational upgrade. That's the standard they've set for themselves, and right now, they're not there yet. Here's where things get really interesting. The biggest bottleneck right now isn't engineering ambition or funding, it's silicon. Valve is essentially waiting on a new generation of chips that can push serious performance without absolutely destroying battery life. And according to their own statements, that chip simply doesn't exist yet in a form that meets their bar. Think about that. Valve has the vision, they have the team, they're actively building, but the hardware industry hasn't caught up to what they need. They're reportedly targeting a move away from the current Zen 2 plus RDNA 2 architecture towards something far more advanced. Higher RAM ceilings, better efficiency, the works. None of that is locked in officially, but directionally, Valve wants this thing to feel like a different class of device entirely.
Let's talk about timelines, because this is the part that's going to sting a little. Based on everything circulating right now, from industry insiders to developer chatter, a launch before 2028 is considered unlikely. That's not a rumor being thrown around casually. That's a pretty consistent signal across multiple sources who are following this closely. Now, Valve hasn't put a date on anything publicly, so take that with appropriate skepticism. But 2027 as a best-case scenario seems like wishful thinking at this point. The honest read is that Valve would rather wait 3 more years and release something people lose their minds over than launch a mid-tier upgrade that gets shrugged off after a week. Here's something most people haven't connected yet. While the Steam Deck 2 is still deep in development, its design is quietly being shaped by another product that just dropped. The newly announced Steam Controller 2026 appears to be directly influencing the ergonomics and input layout of the next deck. Early indications suggest improved comfort geometry and enhanced input systems are being carried over, which means the design isn't frozen waiting for chips, it's actively evolving through Valve's other hardware releases. And that's actually a smart way to iterate without announcing a half-finished product.
Valve knows what they want to build, and they're not blinking. Whether that patience pays off is a question only 2028 can answer. But if they nail the chip situation, the Steam Deck 2 could genuinely redefine portable gaming. So here's what I want to know from you. Would you rather Valve launch something decent sooner, or wait for something truly next level? Drop your answer in the comments. If this breakdown was useful, hit like and subscribe, because there's a lot more Steam Deck coverage coming as this story develops.